Namaste, I am Yogacharya Manoj Joshi, and in this video, I am going to explain why you can't sleep at night and the ancient practice that actually fixes it. You're exhausted, your body is tired, but the moment you close your eyes, your mind starts racing, replaying conversations, planning tomorrow, worrying about things you can't control. You've tried everything: melatonin, white noise, sleep apps, blue light glasses, and still the ceiling stares back at you at 2 a.m. What if the problem isn't what you think? What if it's not about your sleep habits at all, but about your nervous system? Here's something most sleep advice gets wrong. They focus on sleep hygiene, dark rooms, cool temperatures, screen time limits, and those things help, but they don't address the root cause. The root cause is nervous system dysregulation. Your body has a built-in system for switching between action and rest. The sympathetic nervous system handles the action side, fight or flight. It increases your heart rate, sharpens your focus, and floods your body with cortisol and adrenaline. The parasympathetic nervous system handles the rest side, rest and restore. It slows your heart rate, relaxes your muscles, and tells your body it's safe to recover. Sleep requires your body to shift from sympathetic dominance to parasympathetic dominance. But when you've been stressed all day, work deadlines, digital overload, emotional tension, your sympathetic system stays turned on even when you lie down. This is what I call the overload cycle. Your stress level keeps climbing throughout the day, and instead of returning to a calm baseline, it stays elevated. The peaks get higher, the recovery gets shorter. Eventually, your nervous system hits a failure threshold: emotional exhaustion, functional detachment, and that terrible feeling where even sleep doesn't feel restorative. You can't force yourself to relax. That's not how the nervous system works. Telling yourself just relax when your cortisol is elevated is like telling your car to stop while your foot is still on the accelerator. The system needs a different input. This is where Yoga Nidra becomes powerful. It doesn't ask you to try harder. It gives your nervous system a structured sequence of signals: slow breathing, body awareness, guided imagery that naturally trigger the parasympathetic response. You don't have to do anything except lie down and listen. Let me walk you through what Yoga Nidra does to your brain before sleep. During your busy day, your brain is running on beta waves, fast, analytical, reactive. This is necessary for work, but terrible for sleep. When you begin a Yoga Nidra session, the guided body scan starts shifting your brain into alpha waves, a state of calm awareness. This is the same state you enter naturally in those few seconds before you drift off. But most stressed people skip right past it. As the practice deepens, through breath awareness and visualization, your brain moves into theta waves. This is a remarkable state. It's where deep processing happens: emotional release, memory consolidation, subconscious reprogramming. During theta, your brain also begins producing its own melatonin naturally. Your body temperature drops slightly, Your muscles release tension. The conditions for sleep arise on their own. You don't have to chase them. And here's the key insight from my research on this topic. When you practice Yoga Nidra regularly, your nervous system becomes conditioned. It learns to associate the practice with deep rest. After a few weeks, you can enter those deep states faster and more reliably. This is neuroplasticity at work. You're literally retraining your brain's pathways for sleep. In my Sleep 21 framework, I structure the journey into 3 phases over 21 days. Week 1 focuses on calming the body. This is about releasing the physical tension that's been building up. Tight jaw, tense shoulders, clenched belly. Most people don't even realize they're holding this tension until they start scanning through it. Week 2 shifts to calming the mind. This is where the guided imagery and deeper breath practices help quiet the mental chatter. Participants often report that by day 10, their nighttime thoughts start to slow dramatically. Week 3 is about restoring natural sleep rhythms. By this point, the practice becomes almost effortless. The body knows what to do. Sleep starts arising naturally, without force. Neural rewiring requires repetition. Research in neuroplasticity suggests that 21 days of continuous practice is the minimum effective dose to create lasting change in how your nervous system responds to stress. Over 20 years of teaching, I've seen this pattern again and again. A technology professional who couldn't stop his mind racing at night. After 3 weeks, he described the practice as creating a transition space between work and sleep. Graduate student, crushed by academic stress, she said the body scan component helped her discover physical tension she'd been carrying unconsciously. A healthcare worker experiencing burnout, she said she felt mentally lighter after each session, and the practice became her nightly reset button. These aren't rare cases. This is the typical experience when people commit to the practice consistently. If you're tired of being tired, I want you to try something. Don't buy another supplement. Don't download another app. Just lie down and experience Yoga Nidra for yourself. I've made a free 3-day sleep reset series available right here on this channel. 3 guided sessions, each designed to take your nervous system from stress mode into deep recovery mode. Start with day 1 tonight. The link is in the description and at the end of this video. I'm Yogacharya Manoj from Wellness by All Means. Subscribe for more and I'll see you in the practice. Namaste.